Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will revise lesson number 3, Journey of Food. As food is our basic need, so in this chapter we will learn that how food comes to our plate, how it comes to us. So we need food to live because it gives us energy, it protects us from diseases, it is important for our growth and development. Yes. So, but how we get it? Here is a girl, Smita. She had cornflakes, bread and milk for the breakfast, dosa and idli for the dinner. Now she was having her dinner. She wondered how the food she was eating reached to her plate. Now the same question is in everyone's mind, that how we get the food from the grocer shop. Okay, तो ग्रोसर के पास कहाँ से आया? From the wholesale market. होलसेलर के पास कहाँ से आया? From the farmer. Yes, so we will go to field. So her grandmother explained the whole process, that how food comes to us. The food which we eat, it goes on a long journey before it reaches to our plate. Food like we eat fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses, and all these food things are grown by farmers. Yes, first process which farmers had to do is they prepare the soil by plowing the fields. You can see the farmer is plowing the field by using a tractor. In olden times, farmers use bullocks to plow the field. They use plows to dig furrows in which seeds are sown. So by this plowing, the whole field is divided into ridges and furrows. Canals बन जाती हैं, area divide हो जाता है, so that seeds can easily grow. Animals are used to pull plows. Today, most farmers use tractors. So, first process is preparing the soil. And how it is prepared? By plowing or by tractor or by bullocks. Second process is sowing the seeds. Seeds should be of good quality so that our crops will be good. It is free from diseases. So, second step is sowing of seeds. Third step is irrigation, that is supply of water. Yes, crops need water to grow. So, it is done by wells and tube wells. Fourth process, like we need minerals, our soil also need minerals. So we add, or farmers add, manures and fertilizers to the soil to make it rich in minerals so that our plants can use these minerals and they grow healthy. Now next step is spraying of pesticides and insecticides. Why farmers spray pesticides and insecticides? To kill the germs and the pest. I told you in Zoom class also that they can damage our crops. So farmers had to spray pesticides and insecticides, which are chemicals, to kill the germs or insects so that our crops should be healthy. And from the birds, how can we save it? For this, farmers put up the scarecrows. You can see the scarecrow in the pathways when you go to somewhere. Here are the pictures of scarecrow, a farmer spraying pesticide and a tube well also for the irrigation. Now, when the soil is prepared, seeds की sowing done हो गई, irrigation done, adding of manures and fertilizers, spraying of pesticides, everything is done. Now our crop is ready. And when it is ready to ripe or it is ready to cut, it is called harvesting. Harvesting is cutting off crops. It is done by sickles. You can see the semicircle knife, sickle, or by machines also. And then farmers pack the grains in the gunny bags. Have you seen the gunny bags? It's the season of grains. अभी हम सबके घर पे wheat grains आते हैं in the gunny bags. These bags are then transported in trucks to the wholesale market. Yes, to the wholesale market, and farmers sell their crops or their grains to the wholesalers. Here gunny bags are transported in trucks and then a wholesaler purchases it and stored it in his godown, and then shopkeeper or vendors buy the grains from the wholesalers. Finally, we buy the grains from the shopkeepers and vendors. We buy cereals and pulses, sugar, oil from a grocer. Grocer has all these things in bulk. Cereals, the rice or the wheat flour and other things, pulses, sugar, oil, which we need to make the food. We buy vegetables from the greengrocer and fruits from the fruit seller, or we have common vegetable vendor which had all the things, vegetables as well as fruits. Now Smita knows how the food travels from the farmer, from the field to the shopkeeper, from the field to our plate. Farmers prepare the soil by plowing. Yes, done. Storekeepers and vendors buy the crops from wholesalers. Now, if we get grains, cereals, pulses, we need one more thing which is very important to make our food yummy. This is spices. Yes, have you seen your mama add spices like ginger, cloves and chilies in the food? Spices make our food tasty. They give us flavor and taste. So some spices have medicinal values as well, like we read in class 3 that turmeric helps in our wound healing, or we read so many spices like cloves, it helps in toothache, chili. So we add chili powder to make the food hot and spicy. We also use chili powder in various food items like sauce and pickles. Turmeric. Turmeric powder is used to make food look yellow. Haldi. It gives yellow color to the food, and when we get hurt, our elders often apply turmeric powder. हल्दी लगाते हैं मम्मा ताकि हमारे हील्स जल्दी से हमारे वाउंड्स जल्दी से हील हो जाएं, and it is used in cosmetic creams also because it has antiseptic properties. Black pepper, it gives nice flavor to our food, but we should avoid touching them with fingers because we can touch with our eyes again, then it creates a problem. Then cloves, they look like nails but they give big relief in toothache, and it is used in perfumes and soaps also. So you can see chili powder, turmeric, black pepper and cloves, and I have shown you all these things in our Zoom class also. Some spices are recognized or identified by their smell, like cloves, long, cardamom, elaichi, turmeric, haldi. Spices like black pepper and cinnamon can be recognized by tasting. So we can recognize them by their taste. Plants provide us so many things. They are our green friends. So in this chapter we will learn that how food comes to us. All the steps which a farmer uses to get a good crop. One is the plowing the field, sowing the seeds, irrigation, addition of manures and fertilizers, spraying of pesticides and insecticides, then harvesting. So then it goes to wholesale market, then wholesaler to shopkeeper, and shopkeeper to us. So thank you. Have a nice day. Keep reading. Stay safe at home.